Hi, this is Allie McGinnis, and I'm a real estate broker with Coldwell Banker. This weekend we have some very exciting open houses, so take some time, hop in the car, and come out and visit us. Yeah, but I'm making stuff up. I don't even know what I'm doing.
It's good that way, though. You know what? You don't want to be rehearsed.
McGinnis with Coldwell Banker. I'm a real estate broker in the Tri-Cities. No. This is where you get those outtakes.
Oh.
Dang.
Okay, you want to do it again?
No.
Okay.
With Coldwell Banker.
You are.
I am. Please take some time, come on out and visit at the open houses this weekend. Let's try that again. Yeah.
I have to get you to mess up somehow, don't I?
Oh, you've got outtakes.